Hi, this is the Galaxy M34 and I'll show you how to add or remove home screen widgets on this device. So first we should hold for a while the home screen with our finger, and after that you'll see here widgets icon. Tap on this icon and here you'll see all of the available applications on your device which widgets you could add. For example, we could add the calendar widget. Just to add it, you should hold it for a while and drag it to your home screen. To move widget here on the screens or between the screens, we should just hold and drag it. And to resize it, we should also hold it for a while, and after that we could make it bigger or smaller. And if you wanna remove it from the home screen, hold it and tap the remove icon. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.